Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use annotations in Tableau so you can highlight important insights and make your visualizations easier to understand. Annotations are useful when you want to explain trends, call out unusual values, or guide viewers toward key business insights directly inside a chart. To create an annotation, start by opening your visualization in Tableau. Then simply left-click inside the view. From the menu that appears, choose the Annotate option. You'll see three different annotation types you can add: Mark, Point, and Area. Let's begin with Mark annotations. A mark annotation is connected to a specific data point in your visualization. When you create one, the text box automatically fills with details related to that exact mark. The arrow always points to that same data point. And if filters or data updates change the view, the annotation follows the mark. If the marked data disappears because of filtering, the annotation disappears too. This makes mark annotations perfect for highlighting precise values or important events. Next are point annotations. A point annotation is tied to a specific position in the chart rather than a single data record. The text box usually includes only the basic coordinate information from the axes, not every detail in the dataset. You can move the arrow anywhere in the view, and the annotation will continue referencing that exact location even if the visualization changes. Point annotations are helpful when explaining trends, peaks, or dips that relate to chart position rather than a single data row. Finally, there are area annotations. These reference a region of the visualization instead of one point. Because they are not tied to a specific value, the text box does not autofill with information. You manually type the explanation you want viewers to see. Area annotations work well for summarizing patterns, highlighting ranges, or describing groups of data across a section of the chart. Using the right annotation type helps turn a simple dashboard into a clear data story. Mark annotations highlight exact numbers. Point annotations explain positions or turning points, and area annotations describe broader patterns. And that's how you use annotations in Tableau to make your dashboards more informative, interactive, and presentation ready. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more Tableau, analytics, and data visualization tutorials.